Continuation of the last lecture, last class. Good morning, students. Continuation of the last class. Commencement of business, and this is very important for a public company to obtain a certificate of commencement of business. After obtaining the certificate of incorporation, company cannot easily start a business in case of public limited company, but that is not in the case of private limited company. Private limited company can easily start a business immediately after obtaining certificate of incorporation, but that is not applicable in the case of public company. Public company has to obtain a certificate of commencement of business. As per Companies Act 1956, that is a previous company law, a private company had the right to commence its business right from the date of its incorporation, but that is not in the case of public company. A public company has to obtain certificate of business because the public company is invested. Public fund is invested into the company in the forms of shares or debentures of the company. So public company cannot easily start a business after getting the certificate of incorporation. It has to wait to obtain the certificate of commencement of business. Prior to Companies Act 2013, a private company or public company not having share capital was not required to obtain the certificate of commencement of business because this is as per the previous Companies Act. Previous Companies Act 1956, private company or public company having share capital was not required to obtain the certificate of commencement of business. That is in the case of public company. But public company having share capital has to obtain the certificate of commencement of business. So commencement means you are starting off your business activities, entering into various contracts with your vendors, suppliers. You have to initially start your business activities, functions. You have to doing appointments of your directors, the board of directors of the company, appointment of your employees of the company. So many things you have to undergo to start your new business entity, and this is compulsory for public company to obtain a certificate of commencement of business, but that is not in the case of private company. Only a public company having a share capital was required to obtain a certificate of commencement of business. Means public company not having share capital, that is not required to obtain the certificate of commencement of business. Commencement means starting off your business activities, you entering into various transactions with third parties to do your business activities, to engage in various purchase and sale of assets, purchase of land, sale of land, lease agreement is so many things you have to undergo through.